hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, we Group 6 want to present our business plan proposal to accomplish the final exam test in this semester 5.
So without any further ado,
Let's begin! Hello, my name is Alin Rapar, and in this section, I will present about the introduction of the company. Headquartered in Manado, Indonesia, Umbrella Corporation is a global integrated healthcare service and products company, providing customized solutions for hospitals, health systems, pharmacy, ambulatory surgery centers, clinical laboratory, and physician officer worldwide. The company provides clinical proven medical products and pharmaceuticals and cost-effective solutions that enhance supply chain efficiency from hospital to home. Cardinal Health connects patients, provides payers, pharmacy, and manufacturers for integrated care coordination and better patient management. Umbrella Corporation is an Indonesian multinational healthcare service company and the 14th highest revenue generating company in Indonesia. Its headquarters are based in Manado, Indonesia. The company specializes in the distribution of pharmaceuticals and medical products, serving more than 100 locations. The company also manufactures medical and surgical products, including gloves, surgical apparel, and fluid management products. In addition, it operates the largest network of radiopharmacies in Indonesia. So, Umbrella Corporation provides medical products to over 75% of hospitals in Indonesia, founded in 2019 by myself. The company only started with USD 15, however, with strong enthusiasm and determination by recruiting some skilled and cooperative people like Miguel Romondor, Gabriel Rompas, and Miss Margarita Trolliu. The company to grow, and this is the management team in Umbrella Corporation. So, first, as myself, an executive president, quality and regulatory. And my job is joined the Umbrella in 2019 as the head of the quality organization for the pharmaceutical distribution and specialty solution business, focusing on the safety of the products distributed and regulatory compliance. Myself do lead the legal regulatory team that provides regulatory consummate to all business units. So, my team next is Gabriel Rompas. He is the president of Global Manufacturing and Supply. Gabriel Rompas is the president of Global Manufacturing and Supply Chain, or the Point GMSC, within Umbrella Medical Segment, a leading provider of medical products and supply chain service to hospitals, laboratories, physician office, surgery centers, and other sites of care across the health care continuum. And three is Miss Margarita Trolliu as the Executive Vice President, Global Sourcing, where she manages strategic sourcing and supplier management enterprise-wide. And the last one is Mr. Miguel Romondor as a Chief Executive Officer Pharmaceutical. Is the Chief Executive Officer of the Pharmaceutical segment at Umbrella. This segment distributes brand and generic pharmaceutical, specialty pharmaceutical, and over-the-counter healthcare and consumer products. This is all for me, and next is my friend Gabriel Rompas. Thanks Alden, very good explanation. Okay, at this point I will explain a little about our vision and values. Why we exist? We deliver product and solution to improve the lives of people every day. Where we are going? We aspire to healthcare most
trusted partner by building upon our scale and shortage in distribution, product and solution, while driving growth in evolving area of healthcare through customer insight, data, and anything, and focusing our resources on what matters most. 3. How we will succeed. 1. Grow and develop our people. 2. Prioritize our work. 3. Optimize our core. 4. Invest in growth. The last, what we value. 1. Integrity. We hold ourselves to the fixed ethical standards. 2. Inclusive. We empower difference to drive the best outcomes. 3. Innovative. We develop new ways of thinking, operating, and service customer. 4. Accountable. We bring passion, determination, and grief to deliver on our commitment. The last, mission driven. We serve the greater goal of health. That's all from me. And the next point will be presented by Margareta Tololi.
Thank you, Gabriel. Now it's my turn. So I will explain about our company Financial. As you can see in the table, the medical raw material needed are 960 units, and the price per unit is $25. So the total is $24,000. That's all about Financial. Now we jump to product and service. First, chlorhexidine gluconate, antiseptic for use as surgical hand scrub, healthcare, personal hand wash, patient preparative skin preparation, and skin wound and general cleansing. Second, hydrogen peroxide, first aid to help prevent skin infection in minor cuts, scrape, and burn, aids in the removal of scalp, mucus, or other secretion associated with a sore mouth. Third, 70% isopropyl alcohol, uphold care requirement for use bactericidal in clean room or medical facilities, but also for general purpose. Fourth, face shield are personal protective equipment device that are used by many workers for the protection of the facial area and associated mucous membrane, eyes, nose, and mouth from spray and spatter of body fluid. And the last, eyewear. Offering of protective eyewear help meet all your needs. Frames are big and flexible with clear replacement lens. Our service is care in everything, and so is Umbrella Corporation. Our healthcare solution across the continuum of care help provider work more efficiently, patient life, healthcare, and healthcare system works smarter. That's essential. Now I will hand it over to Miguel Rumondo.
Alright, now it's my turn. Thanks to Margareta. According to our analysis, we found a competitor, namely Kimia Pharma. Who is Kimia Pharma? Kimia Pharma is the first pharmaceutical industrial company in Indonesia, which was founded by the Dutch East Indies government in 1870. PT Kimia Pharma has also expanded in its business not only in the national level, but has also begun the international trade level. Herbal products are the main target for the corporation for the coming period, considering to the large number of potential buyers and an enthusiasm who have shown an interest in doing business with the company. With the case of experience, the company has developed into a company with integrated healthcare service in Indonesia. The company is increasingly being reckoned with for its 9 in the development of the nation. particularly the development of the health of the Indonesian people. Next is the market analysis. Based on demographics and segmentation, its geographic segmentation umbrella grids all markets and holds facilities, and of course in the territory of Indonesia. Not only in urban area, we can also find products from Umbrella in the suburbs, even in the rural area. Umbrella targets people of all age and gender. In the market need, Umbrella targets people of all age and gender. Umbrella Health Specialty Pharmaceutical Distribution provides service for oncology and urology special physical practices. Choose from an extensive portfolio of branded, generic, and biosimilar specialty medication, including infusable, injectable, and oral. All about our presentation, and last we just want to say,
Stay safe.
Wear mask.
Stay healthy.
and thank you very much.